Alright, hello lovelies. I'm coming to you with a boxycharm unboxing, which I haven't unboxed, but my mother has. She's not aware that my name is on the box, which she is aware, but I have my mail being sent to her house since I'm currently moving, and she took it upon herself to open my box. So, new to me, not new to her, but we'll get into it, okay? Alright, so this is May's boxycharm. I just got it in today. Sure. So, we're not going to look at that yet. In this box, we have, I think for this box, I picked out the gel face mask, but that might be for the next box. But I think for this one, I picked out the gel face mask. But the first thing I saw was right here. Tarte. Ooh, this reflection is horrible. And I'm going to pronounce this wrong. Micellar Magic Makeup Remover, which I wouldn't say I need some, but I needed some. Because I put my stuff in places and I forget where I put them. But yeah, so this is $18. Wow, I could have bought this way ahead of time. This is fairly huge. 6.4 fluid ounces. Alright, so let's see what's else in this box. Trestique Face Concealer Cover. Come on. So this is Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. I really don't know how concealer works, I'll be honest. That's just one thing I haven't been able to figure out. So, I know what it's used for, but I haven't really been able to figure out when to apply this thing. Oh, that's nice. It's like magnetic. Okay. And so this is $24. Alrighty then. And y'all, I'm sorry. I'm in a wicker chair, so you hear all this noise, all of it. You're welcome. And Haas Laboratories. I want to say this is how you pronounce it. I haven't heard of this brand, Haas Laboratories. This is an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in punk. So punk could go either way. I'll say black. I'll say pink. Punk. Maybe even blue. I'll say black for a liquid eyeliner. Black, of course. Punk. Ooh. Y'all. I'll get this to focus. I'm using my camera. My phone, obviously. Get off my face. Come on. There you go. Look at that. Ooh. That's really nice. So this one was a $20 eyeliner. Why can't you autofocus, phone? I'll get that later. And then, oh, I think this is what this is what I meant by the mask. The Glam Glow mask. So this is what I had picked for my box. And I really don't have a skincare routine. I should get one from what I was told. My skin isn't gonna be like this when I get older. I do get pimples, just not a lot. Like when I'm really stressed and I'll be in the middle of everything. But I do want to get a skincare routine, which is why I picked this over What were the other two? I think it was like a highlighter stick or something. I can't remember. But I did pick this because I do want to get into some kind of skincare routine. I just haven't fully devoted to one. I just rinse my face with water and call it a day. I know. But anyways, Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And this was $50. $49, but I'm rounding up to $50. A creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. I don't know what any of that means, but it does smell like berries. It doesn't really smell good though. And so it doesn't say if it needs to be put in a refrigerator. Apply an even layer to clean skin. Leave on for 10 minutes for best results. Tissue off and smooth in any Tissue off and smooth in any excess. So I guess wipe it off with a tissue and then rub in the rest. If desired, rinse and pat dry. Follow with your normal skincare regimen. So I can just leave this bad boy out in the open air. So I'm going to replace you. And, oh, okay, I got one more item in here. A Peel liquid lipstick. This is in the color Naked because this is $21. $21. Let's put this bad boy on for y'all. It doesn't want to come off. I forgot what I paid for this whole box because I just paid for a whole year up front. But I think prices did go up. I think it was 23 and then it went to 25. I don't know. I'll check, put it down below. But I paid for a whole year and then I did the Boxy looks as well. So that way I only have to get money taken out my account every 3 months. And then for the Boxy looks, I think I know for sure I picked the satin pillow because it's supposed to be good for your hair if you don't wear a scarf. And I need help with my hair, if you can't tell. And I picked something else, which I wasn't really too fond of, but it was for me personally, it was the better choice out of all of them. And I wasn't going to get a water bottle. Because I drink from a gallon jug. So that little water thingy wouldn't have done anything for me. But let me put this on for you guys. Okay. It kind of has a pink hue to it. It's super creamy. Super creamy. It does kind of feel like it's sticky though. So I don't know if this is gonna dry. Well, I don't know if it's gonna dry. It says liquid lipstick. Ultra cream liquid lipstick. See, I don't like lipsticks that are not dry. I don't know what the proper word for that is, but I like mine to dry. But I do like this color. Yeah, I don't see this drying though, but it is super creamy. But to me, the reason why I don't like them to stay moist, wet, I don't know whatever word y'all want to use. It's because of this sticky feeling. And I'm not saying that it is sticky feeling, but to me, that's how it feels. Sticky. Like lip gloss sticky. But it's not the same consistency sticky. But it's cute. I like it. I would do this as like a everyday. Yeah, I'm in my nose. I'm sorry. Everyday kind of color. When I don't have anything on my face, I'll probably wear this. I'd have to get used to the texture, kind of. Because I wear matte lipsticks all the time, so that's the only reason why I wouldn't favor this. But this was, I think I said how much it was, did I? $21. All right. And so, if I'm right, and this box was $25, you got all your money back. But I'm really excited about this. I wonder if this is like a pump action. Like you put your little... I feel like it is. Maybe not. Okay, it is a little pumpy. Okay, it's even better. It's like my mama rearranges stuff all the time, so I can't even grab what I was gonna grab. Here's one that you have to shake, of course, and then pour onto a cotton swab. A lot of them that I have are like that. So I like that it's a little self pump. I'm getting hiccups now. Okay. I think I'm gonna put this on an eyeball. And it don't. Nope. Nope. That's how I lose caps. Because I can't ever keep it with. So I'm just gonna do one eyeball. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That's really nice. I like this one. Okay. Y'all see what it can do. So go out and buy this one if you like eyeliners. And I forgot what I accidentally dropped on the floor over there. So I'm about to pick that up and call it a night because it is like 10 o'clock right here where I live. Okay. Nope. It's not dry. All right. Well, later I just wanted to get on here, do my unboxing for this month, which is Mother Nature. This was the front of the card. I always love the little cards. Packed with gloves and love. Aww. Because of the coronavirus. Now, I don't know if they always pack it with gloves. I don't know if they always pack it with love. I never have anything broken, though. I don't. My mama always gets stuff broken. And then also, this is variation 26. I don't know how many variations they have out in this world. I'm still on the mission to find that. Not really. But I am curious to know how many variations they do create. But that was variation 26. And I'm about to go and I don't know, make sure my son is eating his chicken nuggets. Sorry, like I said, it's late here. But yeah, like, comment, please subscribe for all my future videos. I will be doing unboxings, hair. Yeah, I know I do my hair, okay. Makeup, fun little things with my son, all kinds of stuff. Reviews. I was gonna do a dollar store Canada review, because those are actually like a 7 out of 10. I'll explain why in the video, which I'll make one. I'll probably, well, I don't know how to post links, so just look for that review. All right, ciao ciao for now. I know I struggle getting this lid off. Okay, so we're gonna take this eyeliner off. All right. Okay, all right, something's happening now. Got it. Guess we have to prime the pump. All right, let's see. All right. This eyeliner is being a little resistant, though. Granted, I do know that if you hold it on for a little bit and then you pull it off, I don't know if this is intended for eyes, though. Use this mess-free, no-rinse micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturate a cotton pad and apply to skin on the go after a gym sesh or to remove that full face of makeup you worked so hard on. Formulated with Boxy, might have said that wrong. This baby cleanses without stripping your skin or making a mess of your sink. It doesn't say anything about the eyeballs, but we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna get a new cotton pad right here. We're gonna get this eyeliner off. So, yeah. I don't think y'all saw that, but that definitely went all over this mirror right here. So in here, I'm just gonna hold it for a few seconds, and we're gonna wipe. Okay. It's really on there. And I don't have enough of this liquid on here. Bro, y'all could have made this top at least a little easier to open. Dang. I don't want to squirt on anything else. The product works. It's just me who doesn't work. I really put it in my lash line. And I don't want to be rubbing my eyeball either. It's too much work. But it works. I'm going to take this stuff off too. Yeah. I think the true test would be a liquid lipstick. Because them shits be hella hard to come off, yo. got like a little scab on my lip, so lipstick sits in it. I think I got it off. Boom. We got it. Alright. So that's that. I like it. So we got an A for that. I'll probably do another video of doing this. But not today. So later, y'all. Like I stated, like, comment, subscribe. Give me hairstyles to do with my hair. Because if not, I just put it up into a puffball and call it a day. Alright. Later, lovelies.